Your monkey is part of your family, right? And you truly love your monkey, and you only want what is best for your monkey. And also, if you see other creators on TikTok, there's a couple of warning signs that you have to have a look out for. And then should they be too arrogant to change, that could be borderline neglect or abuse. And then you can't say that you love your monkey if you're not willing to change for their benefit. Okay, monkeys' face are very pale or light. There's a lack of vitamin D3. And monkeys spend a lot of time in small bird cages. Is a no-go. If the monkeys are very obese or very thin, monkeys sitting in high chairs and eating. No, guys, come on. That is a bad habit created for monkeys by humans. That is not a good way for them. Put their food on different places in your living area instead of making them eat from a high chair. Monkeys continuously stressing or scared or pacing up and down is definitely a negative welfare behavior. Monkeys wearing clothes? No. Your monkey is beautiful enough just the way they are. Naked is always the best. Hair loss, the base of the tail, that means nappies. You might need to be careful because in extreme circumstances, that is permanent hair loss. And it is irreversible. Monkeys free roaming in build-up areas is also irresponsible. There's a lot of dangers for them. Another very, very important factor is people showcasing and taking their monkeys into public spaces. You've got no idea how irresponsible you actually are by doing that. Yeah, a lot of people say, yeah, but I take my monkeys out on a leash. All good and well, but the problem is you create awareness. Every person that you see is, oh cute, I want one. And guess what? Uninformed people get monkeys. And then also another fact of taking your monkey out into public spaces is that they are very susceptible to human diseases. Another very bad idea that I see on social media is people feeding their monkeys late at night. Monkeys should have a fixed routine, and people allowing their monkeys to sit with them and eat with them, and they eat all the crap that humans eat is not good. It's not good for monkeys, guys. No enrichments in enclosures. That's a bad negative for monkeys because they need to be kept active and their minds need to be stimulated. Otherwise they're going to get very bored very quickly, and emotionally that's not good for monkeys. People using their monkeys for photo shoots and to make money from that, that is a no-go. Okay, yeah. And that's also for taking monkeys out into public spaces. Avoid the extra stress for the monkeys as well. And you're going to say, yeah, but my monkeys are used to it. You don't want to do that, guys. And then also people claiming to be a sanctuary, but their monkeys are in a house. No outside enclosures for them, but you call yourself a sanctuary. How does that work? Very, very importantly for monkeys is their diet. Okay, monkeys must not eat all the food and crap that humans eat. And where humans get obese and diabetes and all that. You really love your monkey, care for their diet. And protein is very, very important as well. Yes, that's correct. Diets are very important, and do not bluff yourself to say, yeah, a treat once in a while won't harm. Guys, move away from that mindset. It's not good for your monkeys. Thank you.